Hi Queens, Ms. PK's and Ms. PK's Crochet Braids located here in McDonough, and we're going to get right into this video. I am super excited about this hair, and actually Queens, I did not intentionally look to get this hair, and I am talking about the pre-looped hair model Yaky 18-inch. This is what it's looking like. And I actually went into the store looking for a faux lock crochet braid for this certain cornrow pattern that my assistant had did for me. I was going for that tribal look, and I wanted to do something funky with that. And so I walked in there and I just was looking around and I saw this hair. Now this hair was only $5.99, and you only need, well in my case, I got 3 packs. If your head is smaller, just go ahead and get 2 packs of this hair. But I got 3 packs. But the thing is, I love this installation, but this is the wrong cornrow pattern for this hair. If I had known I was going to get this, I would have done this cornrow pattern for this hair. And that way my parts would have been a little bit better and it wouldn't be as like gappy a little bit, but I still love it. So I'm gonna show you this hair right here comes pre-looped with a band on it. You see that band? And you simply just take this and insert it with your hook, okay? So you wanna insert it with your hook. There's some spaces up here that I didn't fill in. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Just insert it right here. And you wanna put the loop on the hook, pull it all the way through, and see how that rubber band has to pass through all the way. And then you want to take it and go ahead and feed it through. Close that little hook and feed it through just like that, okay? And then just take it and bring it through just like this. Hope you guys are seeing that. Take it through just like this, okay? And if you miss some, that's okay. Just bring it all the way through. Work your fingers through it, okay? Until you get it smooth. All right, until you get that smooth. All right, and it's a durable hair. So once you get that smooth, go ahead and pull that rubber band just like that, and that will tighten it up and have it just like that on the cornrow, okay? So that's how you want to do it. Another one up in here, because you see this is the other cornrow pattern. But I'm going to stick that in there. See, just like that. Put it on here, feed it through, and open it. Now you can do it this way too. You can just open it up. See how it opens up easy? Oops, y'all, hold on. All right, and then push this through just like this. See that? Push that up just like that, and there's your band, okay? And then you just go ahead and tighten that, and it just goes in simple just like that. And you want to keep doing that until you finish your hair. But I just wanted to show you guys how to put this in. It's very, very easy. See how smooth this goes through with this paddle brush? You know, you get your little paddle brush. This is my old brush. And you just brush it through just like this. See that? Just like that. Okay, so let me take this down here so you guys can see how this hair, take this brush, and what you want to do, you want to hold right here, hold it down, hold your hair down and brush it so that way the hair won't be loose underneath, you know, so it won't, you know, you won't pull on that hair and pull that band loose. You know, just hold on to it and brush it, okay? But see how pretty that is? And then for your back, what you want to do is take it and you can just flip your head over. Just flip your head over just like this, okay? And then you want to take your brush and just hold down like that and start to brush it through. But you want to make sure you hold it down so no hair comes out. You know, and then if it does, you can always, these are so convenient that you can just take it and just replace one if something falls out. But you want to hold it and brush it. I don't know what it's looking like back there, but this is what you want to do, okay? It's very easy, very simple. So once you do that, you are good to go. You know, you're good to go. But look how nice and smooth that is. And you can style this. I just don't have the right cornrow pattern to really style it like I want to. And you can curl this hair. You know, it clearly says on the pack you can curl it, hot water, rod set it. Okay, so you can hot water, rod set this hair. And I just want to make sure I'm telling you guys what, you know, and it comes in all kind of different colors. I just, jet black pops on me, so I got a jet black in this hair. You cannot hot iron this hair. You cannot silk press it. And I tried that, and it melted the hair. But you know, still I wanted to try it just so to see, you know, what this hair does. So this was my first time with this hair, and so and I've only had, look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. And so when you're debulking, you take that razor comb and just take it and just go right on through and debulk the hair if it's too big for you. Some people like the hair, the bigger the better. And how to maintain it. So what I do to maintain this hair, you just pull it up and, you know, get your scrunchie, pull it up, and then put your bonnet on. That's all you need to do with this hair. And you guys, you know what? I have not even sprayed this hair once with the synthetic wig spray at all. I have not, but you know, you can get creative with this. You know, you can get creative. You can braid this hair. You can twist. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. You guys can do a lot of stuff with this hair. Look at that, y'all. You can twist and band it. Let's see, put this band on. You know, there's a lot of things you can do with this hair. I just got it in, so I just have not been so creative with this hair. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. You can do all kinds of stuff with this hair. Oh my goodness. And then, like, if you want to wear it summertime and it gets hot, just pull this joker up like I just had it in a messy bun. You know, just pull it up. And then you can get your scarves, put your scarves on there. Guys, look at that. Is so freaking cute. I'm gonna do this again. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Then you can do the other side. I don't have any more bands over here, but you can do the other side too, and just look really cute. And it's not a whole lot that you cannot do with this hair. You just got to get creative with it. And what I'll do, as I get creative myself and do some different styles, I'll just post them probably on my Instagram. I'll probably post it on my Instagram so you guys can see, you know, how to do some different things with that. But look at that, is so freaking pretty, and it's not too silky. You know, you get stuck, just run your fingers through it. That's all, run your fingers through it. But I'm just curious to see how long this is gonna last. Oh my goodness. That's what I wanna see, how long this is gonna last. And look, you guys, I didn't even put a band on this one yet. But look how that stays. And just imagine if you did the hot water on this. Oh my goodness. That is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness, you can do, shoot, put this in here and twist up and do some pin-ups, pin it up any kind of way. Get your twist going on like that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Y'all come in here and get this hair put in. And for you ladies, my queens that have alopecia and stuff, you know, you can get, look at that, it's so freaking cute. You can get, you know, when I do your mesh net, you know, and I haven't tried it on the alopecia, so I'm not sure how that's gonna look or how it's gonna work. But so far, if we put it in like this and it'll lay flat like that, it should be okay. It should be okay. So if one of my alopecia ladies wants to try this, let me know and I will do you, because this is an experiment, I'll do you for free. I'll do you for free, my alopecia. The first alopecia client that calls me, that's my regular normal client, and they want to do, look at that, y'all. Look at that. And they want to do it for free and let them be the guinea pig, then we can do that. Ah, that's so freaking cute. Okay, y'all. Well, this is what it is. So I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, and I got it from So Good Beauty Supply in Morrow. That's where I got it from. But I'm sure you can order it online. You know, you can order it online. This is a model. Here you have it, queens. And you guys leave a comment. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment and let me know, you know, if you have any questions about this hair. But look at that. I love it. I love it. Okay, queens. All right. This is it. This is it. There's no mistake who you are. No. Okay, y'all. All right. All right, queens.